Want to make your WordPress site more readable, eye-catching, or just fit your personal style a little better? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you two simple yet powerful methods for changing font size in WordPress, whether you want to tweak individual sections or set a consistent look across your whole site. By the end, you'll have the know-how to easily control how your text appears, which is a huge part of making your content both beautiful and accessible. Let's jump right in. Let's start with the first method. Changing font size using the block editor, also known as Gutenberg. This is perfect if you're working within a post or page and want to adjust specific bits of text, like a headline that needs to pop a little more or a paragraph that feels too cramped. Here, how you do it: first, click directly on the block of text you want to adjust. Maybe it's a paragraph block or one of your headings. You'll know you've got it selected because it'll be outlined and ready for editing. Once you've clicked on your block, look over to the right-hand side of your screen. You'll see a sidebar with all sorts of options. There's a section labeled Typography in the Block tab. Sometimes you might need to click a little three-dot menu to see all the possible settings tucked away there, so don't miss that step. From here, you can pick a new font size. Either choose a preset like small, medium, or large, or get even more precise by clicking the Set Custom Size button. That lets you enter an exact value. Pixels, ems, rems, whatever you're comfortable with. If px, em, and rem are unfamiliar terms, just remember, px is pixels, a fixed size, em and rem are based on relative sizing, which can help your site adapt better for mobile devices. If you just want it a little bigger for emphasis, try increasing by one preset option and previewing the result. Once you've found the size that fits your vision, give your page or post a save or update. This is important so your changes actually go live. Don't worry if the result isn't perfect the first time. You can always repeat the process and tweak until everything looks just right. Think of this method like spot painting. You're only affecting the block you selected, nothing else on your site will change. If you want to make bigger site-wide changes, so your entire website has consistent headings or body text sizes, Method 2 delivers exactly that. You'll need to be using a newer WordPress theme that supports full site editing, like 2022 or anything more recent. From your WordPress dashboard, head to Appearance and then Editor. This is sometimes called the site editor, where you have more control over your site's entire design. On the left, you'll see a menu. Look for an icon that looks like a black and white circle. That's Styles. Give it a click and then choose Typography. Now under Elements, you can target exactly what you want to change. The general text, links, headings, each element can be adjusted separately. Suppose your headings are always a little too small and easy to miss. Now's your chance to bump them up everywhere all at once. Choose the font size that works for you, either from the handy preset options or by typing in a custom value. When you're happy with your adjustments, hit Save. This one click updates the style across your entire website. No need to repeat changes 100 times. Take a moment to visit your site and admire your work. And there you have it, two straightforward methods to change font size in WordPress, whether you're refreshing a single headline or revamping the look of your whole site. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any hiccups. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step WordPress tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.